Don't fall off though, right? Hot, don't fall off. Yeah. What better way to start the year than to, oh, look who it is. Look who it is. We on our way. I mean, what better way to start the year than to go on a little road trip?
Hello.
How you doing, Kelly? What's going on, Joseph?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
And then what? Walk all the way? How do we get there?
Little crew today.
Has everything.
All right, go ahead. Drive off, Sean. Let me close this window.
There's horses.
You seen livestock?
Those horses.
Oh, there are horses. Wow, wow.
Dude,
oh my God.
this trip.
Sightseeing.
What a failure of a trip. That sign was pretty funny though. Who knew they knew how to rap on the Havasu Pai Indian Reservation? That right there is the road that leads to Grand Canyon West. And we just came from there, and I feel the need to explain this blunder that we had today. We were just on an exploring adventure for the early part of this year, obviously, get out of the house. But it was like tourist central at Grand Canyon West. And right now we just stopped at this little, look at this. Look at all these are really interesting looking. They're everywhere. But just a little random trailhead, I guess, on the side of the entrance to this long road that leads you out to Grand Canyon West. This bottleneck for this tourist central. I can't even explain it. I'll continue to explain it. Yo, what in the world? Why do you have to? What does that accomplish? Somebody explain. Dude, these things are like, they're like as far as the eye can see out here. It's so crazy. Definitely got to worry about snakes out here in the middle of nowhere. So this is Pierce Ferris Road, I think it was, or Way, something like that. And because we did not go to the Grand Canyon West because it was packed and super touristy and just way too crowded, we took a drive down this little road, pulled up to this little town right here called Meadview, and came up to this. Look at that. This will have to do right here. This is gonna be our mini Grand Canyon for this trip. I'm sorry. We didn't go to the Grand Canyon. It was just too much of a mess to get to that side of the Grand Canyon. We're gonna have to plan a real trip and go to the real Grand Canyon. From everything I looked up, it said the South Rim was the best places to go. So we're gonna have to do that. But that's Lake Mead right there. Looks pretty cool from this side. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that always hurts my heart looking at that water line. It's like 100 feet wide, that little bleaching level where the water level is so low. It's really bad. I guess it's ongoing, but the Southwest, super drought. You can't even call it a yard out here. It's like a dirt sale. Oh wait, where am I missing? Oh, oh, wow, cheap. Yeah, we just thought it was funny to stop here in this town called Dolan. It was like this really, really small town of nothing, and they have their own post office.
This is it right here.
Look at
the destination.
Trading post.
Oh my God, look at that alien dude. Sometimes it's not the destination, it's the trip.
I f***ed up, sorry, here.
Take two. Oh, Jesus. Y'all meet my new friend right here. Met him in Dolan. We're best pals. I'm gonna have to do that Route 66 someday. Of course. So, on the way back to Las Vegas, we just decided to go to Hoover Dam. All right. Out here. Stopped in at the Memorial Bridge. Literally on the side of the freeway. This bridge is nuts. We're gonna see the Hoover Dam from the bridge right now. Like you literally right along the side of the freeway. Here we go. Hoover Dam. Wow, wow, wow. All these years I've been knowing about this, I've never been out here, and here we are. Just because we failed at the Grand Canyon. And we're here! Yo, that wall is tall. Wow. If you've ever spent any time on Lake Mead, you know that you could actually get to the other side of that dam right there, but like only within, I think like 300 feet or something like that, or a couple hundred yards or something like that. But you can get up to the other side of that if you're coming from the north side. All right, losing life fast, losing life fast. We're gonna actually go try and see the Hoover Dam itself. We don't know if we can get down there when it's this dark already, so we'll have to see in a second. I guess it was a cool consolation for such a failure at the Grand Canyon and everything. I'm gonna have to do a little bit more research and know exactly what I'm getting myself into, but like everything that I've seen is the West Rim is not as great as the South Rim, so we're gonna go to the South Rim. That's what we're looking to do. Gotta plan that trip properly though.
I mean, we're already here, right? Wow. You want to get out here? And
All right, bye, Sean.
Bye, Sean. Bye.
Didn't bring my mask. Made it down here. Well, not on the bridge or not on the dam, but we're like at this little lookout that's closer. It's not bad though. Look at that. Woo! Now we're almost level with the dam. It's pretty sick down here, actually. Look at this. My friend's taking a picture for these guys. But look at that. Look at that out there. That's pretty sick. Hopefully you can still see me, I guess. And we were just up there taking pictures. Yeah, look at that. That's sick. Sick. Don't fall off though, right? Hot, don't fall off. What is that brown patch way out there though? Oh, it's probably dry land. It's probably dry, the dry bed. Ooh. Danger, keep off wall. Wow, wow, wow. Nice little weekend afternoon drive. Well, evening time almost now. It's 4:30ish or something like that. Not so bad, I guess. I had thought we lost all the light and now I couldn't film anything, but I guess we're walking the bridge and we made it down here. They'll let you walk this until 9 o'clock. And I thought I was done filming, but here we are. That's that Lamborghini. Look at that. Wow, wow, wow. That is no joke. All right, forgive me if I'm a little dark, but how does that look? Really high? That probably looks really high. Bye.